How to create multiple Windows 1 pendrive. Fast your pen drive format your important documents, copy other drive. Pen drive, right-click and format option and just click Start option. Open the bootable software. This software link in description, download and use. Follow step by step. Fast time, click on Auto Format option. Click the box and select Windows ISO file location. Fast Windows 7 bootable. My Windows 7 is 24-in-1 Windows 7. Home Premium, Windows 7. Professional 32 and 64-bit Windows 7, all versions. This software link in description. Select your ISO file location and click Go. Pen drive format, fast backup your data. Ready to bootable pen drive, wait 3 minutes. Create name, this name showing booting time. 2-time name, create different name. Your pen drive booting ready, please wait. .5 GB file copy in your pen drive, wait for 10 minutes. ISO file copy pen drive, please wait. Complete file copy, then OK click. Next, Windows 10 ISO file bootable, same process. Select your ISO file location. Second time, not select format option and click Go. Create name, this name showing booting time. Different name, create. Wait 10-minute, Windows 10 bootable complete. Please wait, ready though process. Complete Windows 10 ISO file copy bootable pen drive, click Done. Close bootable software, your multiple Windows bootable pen drive ready to use. Just restart and format any laptop desktop format. Next part showing how to format laptop multiple bootable pen drive.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.